this question, a chemical reaction involving manganese is given. We have to identify the oxidation state which is not shown by manganese in this given chemical reaction. In this equation, it is clear manganese is existing in three different forms. They are MnO4 minus, MnO4 minus and MnO2. First of all, we have to find out the oxidation state of manganese in each of the species. First one is MnO4 minus. Here we can take the oxidation state of manganese as X. Oxygen always has an oxidation state of -2 and we have the rule that the summation of oxidation states of each individual atoms in a particular ion will be equal to the charge of the species. Here the charge of the species is -2, so we can write X plus 2 into -4 is equal to -2. So X minus 8 is -2. So manganese has an oxidation state +6. The second one is MnO4 minus. Similarly, we can write the oxidation state of manganese as X and we can calculate it as +7. And the third one is MnO2. Here the oxidation state of manganese will be +4. Now we can write the oxidation states of each species as given here. Now from these options we can see +6 is possible, +2 is not possible in any of the species, and +4 is possible in case of MnO2 and +7 is also possible in MnO4 minus. But +3 we cannot see in any of these compounds. So from these options only 3 oxidation states are possible. They are +6, +7 and +4. So from these options we can write the correct answer is option B.